Take 14 white balloons, 4 yellow, 4 blue, 4 green and 4 red. Fold each balloon into 3 parts and then cut them so you have 3 equal length short balloons. Put aside the ends so that all the balloons face the same way. Then take the other balloons and tie a knot in one end. It's important to tease the knot to the end and then tie it tight once it's at the far end to maximize the use of the balloon. And the balloons with the lip at one end, tie the cut end. It's a lot easier to inflate a balloon from the lip end if it has one. Ideally, prepare 3 baskets if you can, or 3 bags, then measure. Choose 2 containers, one that's 15 centimetres and one that's 10 centimetres wide on the inside measurements, and start inflating the balloons. Now you're going to overinflate them and then let some air out. A great way of doing it is literally twisting it at the 15 centimetre measure and then letting the air out. Then you've got a nice long bit to tie the knot with. Again, tie the knot at the far end to give yourself plenty of room for expansion, and then pull it nice and tight once you've got it in position. A word of warning: if you inflate the balloon, overinflate it as usual, and then reduce it down to the length just by letting air out, what you'll find is the balloon, even though it looks as though it's the right length, is actually a lot shorter, and you need that pressure inside it to make it work. So you can either twist it as we saw before, or you can squeeze the air out, and then you'll know when it's the right length when you've got the 15 centimetres and it's still got that pressure inside. I'm just adding a little bit more air in there because it went a little bit too short, and this time going for the twist option to get the right size again. Separate out the green and the red, the yellow with the blue, and a basket with white balloons. You're ready to go.